Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by updating and enabling the console's remote play or streaming feature because versions must match. Once done, make sure your phone and console share the same Wi-Fi band. This reduces latency and packet loss. Next, open the console's streaming settings and generate a pairing code or enable network discovery. You want low latency, so close background apps on your mobile and switch to a stable power source for the console to avoid interruptions. Now you launch the companion app on your mobile and follow the app prompts to add a device, which is the console. Once the app requests a code, either scan the on-screen QR or type the numeric code. This authenticates the session. After connecting, choose controller mapping and stream quality. Lower resolution reduces lag on weaker networks. Make sure to test button inputs and adjust dead zones if the controller feels off, because accurate input mapping prevents missed actions during gameplay. Finish by launching a short game and confirming responsive controls and smooth video. This verifies your setup. If you notice lag, switch Wi-Fi bands or move the router closer. Better yet, plug the console into Ethernet for stable throughput. Once done, enable controller vibration and optimize bitrate in the app for balance between clarity and latency. If problems remain, restart both devices, reboot the router, and confirm NAT type and port forwarding so the console can negotiate connections reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.